we got to move the boat again today. There's another storm that's headed this way. It's not looking as bad as Ian, but it's gonna be more of a direct hit, so it'll probably be worse here than Ian was, if that makes sense. And so basically today is going to consist of just cleaning the boat, getting the boat ready to move, and basically storm prepping. So got to clean up a whole lot. It's a mess in here, it's a mess down there, it's a mess outside of the boat. Everything that's outside the boat that is important and needs to come in. Probably just gonna stuff everything into the aft cabin for now till the storm passes, we bring the boat back. But yeah, that's what today is gonna consist of. Let's get into it. Right, we got just about everything cleaned up and ready to go. We got the aft cabin filled with stuff. We got the V-berth filled with stuff per usual. We got the fly bridge pretty much cleared. I'm gonna take those seats down once we get to the little cove we're going to, and got the bimini all tied up. Still got to figure out what I want to do with the gas cans and the generator. The generator is heavy, very heavy, so I'm not quite sure what I want to do with that yet. Probably throw it into the salon here when we get there eventually. I don't know yet. Pretty much the only thing I gotta do before a boat's ready to move is go down and check the engine room. Just make sure everything down there is good to go. The plan for moving the boat is we'll leave the dock here. We'll go to the city marina right across from us, and I'm gonna get fuel and a pump out while I'm there, and then we're gonna keep going on toward the cove. I will video everything as we go, and probably once we get closer to the cove, I'll strap you to my chest. That way you can get kind of my point of view of what everything that's happening. And yeah, that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. if y'all can hear me over the engine and the wind, but it's actually the next day. I ran out of time yesterday to move the boat, so we're moving it today. I got Alec way up in front on his dinghy, who's gonna help us out. We're gonna go to the same spot we went to for Ian. Right now, just going through the city marina, following along these the mangroves here, and I'm not going to be talking a whole lot. It is very windy today. I think it's already up to 25 to 30. So I'm going to be more focusing on what I'm doing than explaining what I'm doing. But I'll catch you when we get closer to the cove.
Same line. I'm going to do what we did before and tie up to him and pull that line flat so you can glide over it.
Okay, I think I'm just going to go ahead and come in.
Okay, remember that little shallow spot that sticks out from the left point?
Will do.
Boat is here now, but it looks like it's now there and was.
Hello there.
Howdy.
To the rope swing, and then should be alright. Are you tied up to me? Are you tied up to me?
Yeah.
Don't sink your boat. And then with the rest of the line.
Outstanding.
So the boat survived the hurricane, no damage done. I already got the motor running, and it's time to bring the boat back to the dock. So let's get all the lines in and let's get out of here. Boat's back at the dock. I spent the rest of the day just cleaning up the boat, just getting all the pine straw and stuff like that off. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support on the last couple videos, and hopefully I'll be able to post more frequently coming up. Yeah, thanks for watching.